all respected fathers, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Ayushi Parekh from Standard 9C. It is true that prayer does not change God. It changes Him who prays. If you only pray when you are in trouble, you are in trouble. So I request all the students to stand up and take a prayer position.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to know my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torch-bearer of your wisdom. Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, or true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, we stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with the joy and praises, turn us into your angels, be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, oh hail, Saint Mary's School, a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, oh hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, it stands for your name.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall always give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Now I request Piyush to give a thought of the day.
Guys, my name is Piyush Mamtani and I am from class 9. I am standing here for the thought of the day, and my thought is, it is very easy to defend someone and it is very hard to win someone. I repeat, it is very easy to defend someone and it is very hard to win someone. My thought of the meaning is that all the peoples can speak and all the peoples can only speak that I can win from it, but when you have to show that that you have to win from that is the very hard thing. Thank you.
Thank you, Piyush, for giving an inspiring thought. Now we should go back to a classroom. Thank you and have a memorable day.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे